Residing in a bustling town or being around a worrying environment of any type can drain and deplete your power, specifically whilst you are feeling greater sensitive. To counteract this, getting out in nature is the suitable treatment. Try and go someplace non-violent and quiet, so that you can truly absorb the superpower of nature. Nature has a very balancing impact on the human spirit, which is why it's so effective. Make it a point to truly open your senses and immerse yourself within the reveling. In case you don't have a lot of time and need a brief improve, find a tree and place your hands on its trunk. Whilst touching the tree, near your eyes and ask for Mother Nature to refill and restore your power. Supply way to the tree and Mother Nature after you are achieved. When you are out in public and suddenly experience truly overwhelmed with energy or a bit unknowing, the exceptional way to distract yourself is to recite a mantra or hum a song in your preferred song. This is easy and easy to do, and will help you to direct your power inwards in place or outwards like a magnet. When you are feeling extra sensitive, it is actually important to get comfortable with announcing no to people or situations which can be going to drain your strength or make you feel even more overwhelmed. Possibly, whilst you are feeling at the top of your game, you could manage whatever and anyone. But at different instances, you've got to be okay with saying no and actually wondering consciously about who you are selecting to spend your time with. In this situation, self-care is truly about no longer setting yourself in conditions and around people who are going to make you experience more crushed or extra emotional. To protect your heart chakra, remember wearing a necklace that reaches your heart middle with the protecting stone, crystal, or amulet of a few type. The most important component is that the necklace has that means for you. Before wearing the necklace, hold it on your arms and set an intention that it is going to protect you, assist you maintain your heart open to the good, and clear any terrible power that isn't always yours to carry. In case you discover yourself feeling stressful around others or overwhelmed in public places for no obvious cause, it's probably you are choosing up every bit of power from all around you. This is not a laugh and may cause you to sense very depleted and overcome with emotion. Even as visualizing yourself in a white light is one of the best and fastest ways to defend your power. Here are a few different emotion-based steps you could take when you are feeling more sensitive.